Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make beautiful planters using broken things or waste containers just lying around in the house. In this, we don't have to do any painting or cutting. Just by sticking some laces, burlap or some cotton ropes, you can make these beautiful planters. So let's see the materials required first. This is a jute material, it's called burlap. You can buy this either online or in any local craft shop very easily. First we will take up the broken bucket. So for that, remove the handle and cut the extra plastic to get even surface. We will fix the base using glue gun as we are going to use it as a planter. Apply glue below the rim of the bucket and stick the burlap. When it comes to the end, overlap a little and stick along the vertical edge. Finish off by sticking the lower edges to the bottom part of the bucket. Make some slits in lower edge of burlap and stick it all over using enough glue to avoid wrinkles of burlap on the surface. The joint of two edges of the burlap will be visible, but don't worry, we can hide it by turning the joint to the back side of the planter. If you use enough glue and stick it well in the bottom, you don't have to cover it with any other material or any cardboard. Now cover the top rim of the bucket with burlap. Stick as you are seeing in the video. Start sticking from the same joint so that all the joints will be hidden at the same time. After sticking on the outer surface, turn the burlap inward and stick around the inner edge. Try to avoid any folds of burlap on top edge while sticking. Now sticking of burlap on the bucket is over. Here you can stick some ready lace over the burlap, or you can stick some wooden beads, or you can draw some design, or you can even paint on it. But here, to make it look little special, I am going to do macrame lace using cotton rope. To make you all understand, I am doing it on my table surface, but you can directly do it on the bucket. Now you may please follow the steps as you are seeing in the video. Here, remember that you have to add those threads in even number. Start making the knots now. After finish making knots of 3 lines, you will see a flower shape. I hope the tutorial is clear enough for you all to make an attempt. After making the knots, if you feel the shape of a flower is not achieved, you can still open the knots and redo it again. This is how it looks on burlap. Finally, make 2 knots with the same rope and trim the edges to the required length and just leave it. Here you can add some wooden beads also if you want. That's it, our bucket with burlap and macrame lace is ready. Now we will take up the other container. Don't bother about the stains as we are going to cover the entire container with lace. It is better to have a flat lace here. One is to reduce the effort of sticking it and the other is to make the weave look more visible. Stick the lace pieces vertically around the container without leaving any gap. After finish sticking the vertical lace pieces, stick the lace to weave horizontally. As I don't have a flat white lace, I am sticking 2 strands of white rope. To make you understand, I am showing here how to stick the horizontal ropes. Forgot to mention that the vertical lace pieces should be in odd number. Finish weaving by sticking the vertical lace to the bottom of the container. Cover the top part of the container with burlap. So guys, this is our basket weave look planter. Now we will take up the next container, which is an oil can. Cut the container to the required size and start sticking the laces on it. I chose this container so that I can utilize the existing design on the container while sticking the laces. Nothing happened to the container when I used hot glue gun while sticking the laces in the middle part. But when I tried to stick the burlap on top part, the rim started changing the shape. That means the plastic is thin over there. So these things happen, but don't get disheartened. There will be a solution definitely. So I made a plait with using the ropes and then I stuck on the curved rim. I feel it served the purpose. I think I need to stick one more rope plait on top rim. I thought I can use this broken cup along with the other planters. We will simply stick a plain jute string all over the cup. Now using Fevicryl 3D outliner, I made features on the cup. So our final planter is also ready. So let's see what plants go in the planters what we made. This plant is mini bamboo palm. The regular palm grows very big in size, whereas there will not be any significant growth in this plant and it stays very well in low light. The name of this plant is Aralia big leaves. You can easily propagate this plant from cutting. Just cut the stem and put it in soil, it grows into a new plant. Even you can put a leaf in soil, it doesn't grow into a new plant but it will stay forever. The name of this plant is Schefflera. The beauty of this plant is its leaves. It doesn't require direct sunlight but it is not an indoor plant. Name of this plant is Aralia. This is one of the easiest plant to propagate. I make many new plants whenever it grows and it's easy to maintain. This plant stays green throughout the year. You can place the plants inside any size of planter when you grow the plants in smallest container. Now it's time to arrange all the planters with plants along with some knickknacks. Now, don't you think we utilize the containers wisely and it's worth the effort we made? So, by now, you all understood that no container goes waste as long as we make an effort to transform them into beautiful decor. And I promise I will come up with new and innovative ideas for you all. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you are interested in any of the DIYs shown in the video, be sure to check that video. I will link it in the description box below. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.